Ever wondered how to keep your garden lush and vibrant, even in the harshest of arid climates? Gardening in these conditions poses some unique challenges. Water scarcity can leave plants parched, while intense heat can cause them to wilt. Even the soil can be an issue, often lacking the nutrients that plants need to thrive. These factors combined can make it difficult for plants to grow and survive. But don't worry, there's a perfect solution to this: drought-tolerant plants. Let's dive in. Drought-tolerant plants are the heroes of arid climate gardening. They not only survive but thrive in these harsh conditions. Consider, for instance, the noble yucca. Its architectural form and evergreen leaves bring a unique beauty to any garden, all while storing water in its thick, waxy leaves. Or picture the agave with its rosette shape and striking blue-green leaves, a plant that thrives without much help, conserving water in its succulent foliage. The sedum, too, is a champion of drought tolerance. Its vibrant, fleshy leaves are a feast for the eyes and a testament to resilience. And let's not overlook the aromatic lavender and sage, plants that not only tolerate drought, but bring a splash of color and a whiff of fragrance to your garden. These plants are not just survivors, they are a testament to the beauty that can flourish even in the harshest of environments. Now that you know about these amazing plants, why not give them a try in your own garden? Experimenting with drought-tolerant plants can help conserve water and create a visually stunning garden even in arid conditions. It's more than just gardening, it's joining a movement towards sustainable practices. So, are you ready to take the plunge? Share your experiences with these plants in the comments. We'd love to hear how your garden is thriving. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.